Alright, say you want to make a gloss map. So for this IS300, for example, we're going to unlock the layer, go to channels, click on green, do control and backspace. Okay, and that will do that. Click on RGB, and voila, there's that for you. Now there's methods on to do like matte and whatever. I don't know how to do that. I just know how to do this one. And this is your basic gloss map. The white tells the game where it's shiny, the green tells you where it's not. So like places like these shadows, it's like a darker shade, I guess. So it's not going to be as glossy as like this really bright white. So then you just go ahead and save as, and that's it. Now, sometimes if your layer is not rasterized, right? A common issue might be say let's see here, let me try to replicate this. So yeah, make a project file, and then I go and import this. So this little icon down here, if I try to generate a map from here, it's not going to do anything. So I need to rasterize it. Okay, right click and rasterize layer, and then go to green, control backspace, and RGB. So that'll create that. Now a lot of people, what they would do is um, resize, so image size, cut it by about half. These map files, they typically don't need to be extremely like high res. 2048 is a pretty big file size. So you could do 1024 and should be fine. You could just keep at 2048 if you really wanted to, but um, a lot of times, maybe for the body map, you might want to do 2048, but for smaller parts, it's really not necessary. Um, that's pretty much it. That's how you make a gloss map. You just save this as DDS and apply as TxMaps, and that's it. Thanks for watching. See you.